Welcome to our discussion on the importance of organizing in achieving organizational goals. We'll explore how this fundamental management function plays a crucial role in aligning resources and responsibilities for success. Organizing ensures that the right resources are available at the right time, which is essential for achieving organizational goals. This strategic allocation helps in optimizing the use of resources efficiently. Through organizing, managers coordinate activities to minimize redundancy and maximize efficiency. This coordination is vital for ensuring that all parts of the organization work together seamlessly towards common objectives. Establishing a clear hierarchy through organizing helps define roles and responsibilities. This clarity ensures accountability and streamlined communication, which are key to effective management and achieving organizational goals. In conclusion, organizing is essential for aligning resources, activities, and responsibilities. It leads to the efficient achievement of organizational objectives, making it a cornerstone of successful management. Thank you for joining us in this discussion.